My name is El-Kerdi. I am the Chief Operating Officer and co-creator of SoZen Integrative Health and Wellness. SoZen is a niche primary care practice that specializes in servicing older adults living in independent assisted living, personal care, memory care communities. You know, our administrators work from home. Our administrators are on the phone from a remote location. We're not a traditional doctor's office where a patient comes in to the waiting room, checks in at the front desk, goes into the back. We don't have that kind of workflow. Having an EHR work for us and our workflow, we have to change our workflow to work around the EHR. And that was very disruptive for us. EHRs just simply did not work for us. It breaks down a lot. Like there's a lot of glitches in that software. So I was spending hours a week, no joke, probably a good day and a half of my work week with support trying to figure out what's going on. Within a few months, they jack up their prices and it becomes non-sustainable for us, right? If you have one or two providers, it's not the end of the world, but we're up to now 12 providers and it started to get really expensive really fast. So we looked into custom EHRs. Honestly, working with a team abroad, initially, I'm not gonna lie to you, initially I was nervous. I thought we were gonna get scammed, but quickly, I mean, within the first couple of meetings with Discovery, obviously it looked like a very professional organization. You guys knew what you were doing. No money up front. Let's just go through Discovery, figure it out, and all this other stuff. Everybody else just showed me a blank piece of paper and said, we'll develop it. It'll take us a year and a half. I'm like, I don't want to wait a year and a half. So the nice thing about what Thinkitive had is they had a shell of a program, and based on the shell program, it basically had 70% of what we needed. And your team basically worked around our schedule. And so I'm very thankful for that I didn't have to wake up at midnight to take a meeting. You guys are up at midnight taking a meeting for me. So for us, when I did the math, our return on investment is less than a year and a bit. So within a year and a little bit, my return on investment, we break even in about a year and a bit. So in about 13 months from the time that we got into the system, 13 months later, we break even and now we're making money, right? So we're saving money. And the best part isn't necessarily the financial. The best part is the EHR works for us, not the other way around. And I don't have to respond to anybody. I don't have to call someone and say, hey, can you do this for me? No, if we want to do it as a group, if we want to change something, we call you guys, hey, this doesn't work. Let's reprogram this, right? And then we do whatever we want. I don't have to beg and plead. I don't have to wait for some update somewhere. It's my update. I update it whenever I want. You know what I mean? And that's I think I don't know. I can't tell you how happy we are that we took this step.